Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see pending Robux. So firstly, come to the Roblox website, just like so, and just to quickly explain what pending Robux is, it's basically an anti-abuse measure put in by Roblox just in case the transaction has any problems with it. They can then go and change it. So I'm pretty sure at the minute, the shortest time Robux will be pending for is 3 days, and the longest time could be up to 30 days. So you know your Roblox may take up to 30 days for it to be available in your balance. So to go and check it all, you need to do is go to the top right of Roblox, and then you need to go and tap on your Roblox balance like so. And as you can see, you can go see your balance again and then buy Robux. But then what you need to do is tap on the sort of lower balance here like so, and this is going to go and take you to your Roblox sort of transactions page. As you can see my transactions, we have then got option for a summary and the date range. But what you want to do is come now to incoming Robux, and then as you can see right to the bottom, we've got this section called pending Robux. You can then go and hover over it, and it says pending Robux are not included in your total until I released. And if we then go across, as you can see at the minute, I've got 0 pending Robux, and so it really is just a waiting game. All you need to do is wait, and at some point it's going to be added to your balance, and then you can go and start pending it. But until it's added your balance, there is not much you can do, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.